Alright, I'm going to do a startup video. Engine start. Fired right up. Clutch feels stock. Shifting feels fine. No problem there. RPMs are all normal. It has gasoline for once. 43,906 kilometers on the dash, but you can add about 10,000 kilometers to that from the meter swap. Everything's in working order. Engine running. It only has the Nismo intake and piping for the intercooler. Other than that, with the Nismo tune, it's completely stock. Muffler. Sounds good, no abnormalities. Alright, I have to talk over the music, so front left, repair. Core support's been changed. Side panel shows repair. So in here, if you look at it, it's like this has all kind of been resprayed a different color. There's no real signs of damage though, as far as the repairs go. The engine bay looks fine. There's no, like, down here, it looks like maybe the overflow tank has leaked at some point or sprayed. So you can see like the dried up water here. I don't think it has anything to do with the cap itself though, so that's fine. Nismo airbox, I don't know how rare that is with the Nismo piping. Engine looks good. I checked with the pictures, there is no signs of oil leak or anything of that nature. There's no wet areas in the engine bay. Strut towers, they don't look like they've been touched. No signs of early rust or anything. This fender here has been replaced. We'll go over that when we do the outside video. Under the bonnet. Alright, outside the car has, I'll go over in detail, like overall I really can't see anything standing as far as like a heavy dent or scratch. I don't even see door dings. There are some light scratches I'll go over with. As far as the front bumper, there's a pressure crack. I'll show you that. Overall, the car looks really clean. Do a quick walk around. But if we go to the front bumper, vent insert, I don't know if I can, vent insert here as well as here. It looks cool. Something that actually I seen for the very first time is this carbon insert there. That looks really nice in person. I've never seen that before. No noticeable damage to the lower lip. But as far as the front bumper is concerned, the only negative is a brush mark lightly here, which may be able to be, catches my nail a little bit, so it might not be able to be polished, but lightened. And then a pressure bump in here, pressure cracks there, slightly noticeable. Bonnet's been replaced, but there's a little bit of wavy paint, but it's kind of hardly noticeable. All right, continuing with the walk around. The car is mint, but with the repair that was done and this fender being replaced, this whole side's been painted. And with my eye, I can see it to where, is it a good paint job? Yes, but it is quite wavy in my eye. So most people, maybe they don't see that. And I'm not sure if it's quite bright today, so I'm not sure if the camera can pick that up. The hood, fender, all the way down to the quarter has been painted. But the roof and the trunk look like they have not been touched. Going into detail, I did see touch paint here a little bit. Zoom out, you can't really see it. There is a heavy scratch here. From a distance, not so noticeable. Some light scratches. Other than that, going around the entire car, besides the wavy paint, you can't really see any damage at all. Sorry about the background noise. It's very clean. This side also wavy all the way down. Wheels, Nismo gold Brimbos. They're not curved or scratched. I looked at all of them. Quite dirty, they haven't washed the car yet. But other than the respray, the car is very solid. All right, I showed you the startup video already. The interior is very clean, you know, low kilometer car. There's no cracks on the dash. I don't see anything that shows they had some sort of race tachometer or anything placed at some point. Door cards are all clean. There's no scratches, no kick marks. There's no cigarette burns. Nismo mats. And this is amazing. I mean, look at that. Perfection. That's rare. To not see any nicks and scratches on that part of the console. Nismo shifter, stock, boot. It's very clean. But this is kind of an eyesore. Momo, it's a nice aftermarket wheel, but it is an aftermarket wheel. I asked if they had the stock wheel, they said no. Ready turbo timer, right now it's set for like 10 seconds. ETC card, reader, you won't need that. Recorder, no, well, there is a little bit of dirt here. Other than that, just kind of dirty. I'm sure that can clean off with just a light wash. Driver's seat as well, and the back seats, Nismo mats. I think that is why it smells kind of funny in here, but I don't see any like tobacco smell or anything of that nature. Let me get out and I'll show you the I'll check the electronics as well. I'll show you the driver's seat. A little bit of wear here. I don't know if this will come off. That looks like not sure. But driver's seat's very clean as well. Alright, blinkers working, side marker, headlights on, blinkers, LED, blue LED xenons. Blinker. LED tails, you can see. Check the windows. Both windows go down. Both windows go up. Mirror, both closed and both open. Air conditioner blows immediately. Engine's not on, but it's still blowing cold, and it's kind of a warm day today. Navigation works. All right, nice car. All right, the trunk area is very clean. I don't see any, the lighting is bad, but I don't see any sort of staining in it. Looks like it's never even been used. Underneath, it's got the tool set, as well as the spare. There's no sort of indication that it's ever had any water in there or any sort of rust. I'll show you under the car really quick.